Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amar Arif bin Adnan. I am from Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah, and my supervisor is Mr. Muhammad Azrul bin Abu Bakar. And today I would like to present about Kanban implementation on reducing overproduction for SUV part. The first is introduction. So the problem for Company X is overproducing finished goods for SUV armrests. Due to the overproduction issue, some of the finished goods need to be transported to plant 2, which is waste because it consumed cost while it did not have additional value added for the process. To tackle the problem faced by the company, one of pull system are used, which is Kanban. So what is Kanban? Kanban is one of pull system tools. It helps operator or the worker to visualize their work. And the policy of Kanban is work done only according to the Kanban card. So if there is no presence of Kanban card, no work should be started. Project background. Current situation uses push system, which is keep producing part even it is not needed. The finished product will be sent to logistic storage area before loading process. So what is push system? Push system is keep producing part when there is raw material, and it consumes space, and it also promote overproducing, which leads to long-term loss. Problem statement and objective. So the current situation workflow is from customer to purchasing department, and purchasing department will make planning to production department. After that, production department will request material from logistic department. Logistic department will supply the raw materials needed to the production department, and then production department will send the finished good to storage area. The problem is when the overproducing part occurs and it consumes space, some of the finished good need to be sent to second plant. So this process does not add value to the finished good or the products. The research objective is as follows, which is to reduce overproduced armrest part for SUV. Literature review. Kanban is regulate part produced in certain quantity, and when it is produced as part of pull system. Its goal is to ensure the production department only produces goods that meet the needs of customer. Lean waste is no value added to the consumer, that resulting to increase of cost and time taken. And waste prevent the system from achieving operational excellence, and the root cause of waste must be identified and be removed. Methodology. So the most left side is planning, the middle one is actual. So the planning is from customer order, and the actual is the data from production line to logistic area, which is finished good. So as seen on the right side table, the percentage of increase is quite high. For SUV front R, it is 80%, SUV front L, it is 46%, and both for SUV rear R and rear L is 242%. That is more than 100% of overproduce. So this leads to extra storage of unnecessary goods, and it consumes space. Result and analysis. So on the left side is the bar chart of SUV produced volume, SUV variant produced volume. The blue bar is planning and the right bar is actual produced part. The main objective of this study is to stop overproducing. In order to find overproducing, the table shows quantity of order by customer and actual finished goods produced before and after Kanban implemented. So as seen on this graph, it is shown that after the implementation of Kanban, the rate of overproduce is lower. Although they are still overproduced, but the rate is lower. Kanban is implemented in December, and it shows high rate of decrease in overproduction in January. The volume of production in February is slightly increased due to few issues and inhuman error. In March, the overproducing again achieved decrease in overproduction. In a nutshell, overproducing is still occur due to human error. So the workers still haven't fully adapt to the new system, and to tackle this problem, the worker should be trained frequently. Conclusion: the purpose of this study is to reduce overproducing by using lean manufacturing tools, which is Kanban. Based on study, the result from the project shows positive improvement, although they are still overproducing occurs on lower scale. As for recommendation for future study, the usage of electronic Kanban should be studied, as it may enhance the effectivity due to computer may help to tackle the human error. Thank you.